When you think of Dubai, chocolate probably doesn't top your list. Skyscrapers, luxury, gold, sure, but Dubai has transformed into a chocolate powerhouse that will completely reshape your expectations. Dubai sources premium cocoa beans from the most extraordinary locations on the planet. We're talking beans from the volcanic soils of Ecuador, the lush plantations of Venezuela, and the hidden gems of Madagascar. Roasting transforms these beans through absolute temperature precision. Experts carefully calibrate heat to unlock flavor dimensions most chocolatiers never explore. The beans are ground into a liquid so refined, so smooth, that it represents chocolate in its most perfect liquid state. Dubai elevates chocolate production into a true culinary art form. They craft chocolate with local twists that elevate each piece beyond mere confection. Imagine chocolate infused with saffron that captures the essence of golden sunlight. Picture bars enhanced with dates that tell the story of desert landscapes. Cardamom notes weave through the chocolate, creating a sensory journey that transcends traditional flavor boundaries. The final production stage involves molding and cooling techniques so precise that each chocolate piece emerges with a shine so perfect it looks like a culinary masterpiece. The attention to detail transforms chocolate from a simple treat into a work of art. Now, we're heading to the heart of American sweet innovation, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. The story of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups begins long before the first wrapper hits the production line. This is a journey of obsessive perfection, where every single ingredient is selected with a level of scrutiny that borders on scientific investigation. Peanuts are the heart and soul of this iconic treat. Farmers from specific regions are carefully selected, their peanut crops evaluated with a precision that would make agricultural experts marvel. Each peanut undergoes a roasting process so meticulous that every single batch is a carefully calculated symphony of flavor. The peanut butter recipe? It's more closely guarded than top-secret government documents. Generations of food scientists have refined this formula, creating a blend so unique that no competitor has ever come close to replicating it. Chocolate selection is an art form of its own. This isn't about grabbing any chocolate off the shelf. The chocolate must meet exacting standards. Perfect texture-flavor profile that complements the peanut butter precisely. Chocolate tempering is where true magic happens. The chocolate is heated, cooled, and manipulated with such expertise that it develops a perfect crystalline structure. This process ensures that glossy finish, that satisfying snap when you bite into the cup, and that smooth melt-in-your-mouth experience. The peanut butter core is carefully deposited. Then enrobed in chocolate with millimeter-perfect precision. Each layer is applied with such accuracy that you could measure the thickness with scientific instruments. The cooling and packaging technology is equally impressive. Advanced systems preserve the cup's perfect texture, ensuring that from factory to your hand, the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup remains an uncompromised piece of culinary engineering. Reese's produces over 20 million peanut butter cups daily. That's enough chocolate to cover the entire island of Manhattan in a sweet peanut buttery blanket. We've traveled through the worlds of Dubai's chocolate precision and Reese's Peanut Butter Cup perfection. Now we are heading into another topic. But before, I want to ask this. Did you know that a single ounce of high-end caviar can cost more than a luxurious smartphone? Or that the average American consumes about 18 pounds of bacon per year, enough to create a bacon strip that could wrap around the entire Empire State Building? Let's begin with bacon. Bacon begins its journey long before it hits the sizzling pan. Producers select premium pork cuts with the precision of a surgeon choosing instruments. The curing process transforms ordinary meat into a culinary masterpiece. Salt, sugar, and sometimes secret spice blends are meticulously applied. Each piece of pork is massaged with cure mixtures that have been refined over generations. Smoking is where bacon truly becomes legendary. Different woods are selected for their unique flavor notes. Hickory offers a bold, traditional taste. Applewood brings a subtle sweetness. Some artisan producers even experiment with more unusual woods, creating bacon that tells a story with every bite. The temperature and duration of smoking are calculated continuously. Smokehouses monitor every single detail, from wood moisture content to ambient temperature, ensuring each batch reaches absolute perfection. Now, we shift to caviar, a food that takes precision to an entirely different level. Sustainable fish sourcing has become the cornerstone of modern caviar production. Producers work with carefully managed sturgeon populations, often in controlled environments that mimic natural habitats. Roe extraction is a process that requires the gentlest of touches. Skilled professionals carefully remove the eggs, treating each fish with a level of respect that might surprise you. The salting process is where caviar transforms from fish eggs to a luxury delicacy. Each egg is treated with salt. Producers use techniques that have been refined over centuries, balancing flavor with preservation. Quality grading makes military inspections look casual by comparison. Each batch of caviar is examined under bright lights, with experts meticulously analyzing egg size, color consistency, flavor complexity, and texture integrity. Only the most exceptional eggs make the cut. The rest are discarded without a second thought.